Hey guys, welcome to this video on how to get two-factor authentication on Fortnite on your mobile phone. So you want to go to this link, which will be in the description, which is your account settings page. Make sure you're signed in, and then you're going to go to password and security. Once you have clicked that, you're going to scroll down to the bottom. So here we go. It says change your password. You don't want to do that. Well, you might want to, but you don't need to. Okay, scroll down right to the bottom. Once you get there, there's different ways to do the two-factor authentication. So you can get an app, you can get text messages or email. So for this demonstration, we're going to do email, and now I'm going to show you how to do it now. So I've clicked on email, and they'll have to send you a code now. So you're going to check your emails, guys. So it takes a little bit of time to come through. So we're just waiting for the email now. So I'm going to skip out the bit where I check my email, but you do need to check your email. It could be in a spam folder if you can't see it. So once you've got the code on your, however you're going to get the code from your email, you want to go and type in the code, and boom, we've successfully done it. So now when you log into Fortnite on a new device, it will send you an email, and you have to put in that code when you sign in, as well as your password. So now you should have the boogie down emote, which is here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.